Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an account on Coinbase and then show you guys how you guys can buy crypto after you create your account. It's actually really simple and easy to do. So first things first, you guys want to head over to the App Store and just download Coinbase. So if you just head over to the App Store and type in Coinbase, you'll be able to quickly download it. So just going to head to search, Coinbase, and then there it is right here. So you just want to go ahead and download that application. Once you guys have it downloaded, you guys can just open it up right away. And then you'll be greeted with this screen right here where it says get started and sign in. So you just want to click on get started, and then you'll have to fill out your first name, last name, email, and password. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And once you guys are done putting that in, you just want to click on start. And then it'll tell you here just to go verify your email. So you just want to head over to your email and verify your account. So I'll go ahead and do that really quick. And once that is done, you'll be on this screen here where it tells you to secure your account. So our account has been created. Now we have to secure our account with this two-step verification. And then we have to verify our identity required by our financial regulations. So we can just click on start here. And it's going to tell us to secure our account with two-step verification, which requires your phone number. And they're just letting you know that they'll never call you without your permission. So we can just click on continue. And then we're going to put our phone number in here. So you just go ahead and do that. You will then receive a PIN in your text messages that you just want to put in. So I just put in my code right here. And then you can go ahead and click on continue. Once that is done, you'll be in the Coinbase application and you can get ready to start with your investing right now. Now, first things first on this account, you're going to want to add money. So to do that, you're going to want to go over to settings, click on payment method, and it's going to give you two different options here, credit and debit or PayPal. And it's very easy to add your card or PayPal. You just click on what you want to add, whether it's a card or PayPal, and just fill in the information here, card number, expiration, just the typical stuff you guys would when you buy stuff online or use your cards online. Then just put your postcode and zip code in and click on add card. Very simple and easy to do. Now, once you guys are done doing that, you want to back out of here and you're going to have to fill in your identity information. And the easiest way to do that is just head over to this middle button here where it says buy crypto with cash. And then whenever you click on one, it's going to automatically bring you to this identity verification required. And then you just want to click on let's do it. And it's going to ask for photo ID. So it's very important that you guys have some form of photo ID that you can use for this. And you just want to click on continue. And it's going to give you a couple different options here. You either got an ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. When I personally set up my account, I use my driver's license. It's a lot easier as I'm located in Canada, but depending on where you're located, depending on what kind of ID you have available, you guys can choose one from the drop-down menu here. And all you have to do is take a picture. It's very simple. So if you just click on driver's license, it's just going to ask for a picture here. You just simply take the picture and then send it in. And it usually is very quick, which is nice. But once you guys are done adding that ID in here, you'll be good to go to start purchasing cryptocurrencies on this account. I have more videos on my account. If you guys just go ahead and watch the playlist I have below in the comment section and in the description, I'll have a playlist there showing you guys how to buy the cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. It's actually very simple. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create your account on Coinbase. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.